So hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about the Apple TV 4K Wi-Fi plus Ethernet, and this cost me about 250 Australian dollars, and I was pretty much debating should I buy this or not, because the TV I have, which is the LG OLED, I don't know the model number off the top of my head, but once I find it, I'm going to leave it somewhere in the screen here. It has the support of Apple AirPlay, and the only reason people buy something like this is because they want the ability to cast something from their phone to their TV for screen sharing or for watching movies on the bigger screen when they're at home. For those purposes, people buy this. And because my TV already had the Apple AirPlay support, I never bought the previous versions of the Apple TV that were released in the past. But this time I got it. And no, my TV still supports the Apple AirPlay. So the whole reason I got this is because I can now, with this, pair my AirPods and AirPods Max to the Apple TV and then watch movies, enabling spatial audio, and then immerse myself like that during nighttime when I don't want to disturb anyone but enjoy the movie or any sort of content in the TV to the fullest ability. I can do it like that. With screen sharing from my iPhone to the TV using Apple AirPlay, that is not something I will get. Yes, I can still pair my AirPods Pro or the AirPods Max to the TV using Bluetooth, but it is not going to be the same as pairing my AirPods to the Apple TV and then enabling spatial audio and watching movies on the Apple TV. So for that reason, I got this. So let me take it out of the box, and then I'm also gonna set it up and show you guys the setup process and everything. So let's unbox this. So it basically says cinematic quality, 4K HDR, Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. Do more with Apple devices. Enhance your TV experience with AirPlay, HomePod and AirPods, Apple Home Hub, control compatible smart home accessories, and thread-enabled devices from anywhere. You can see the green arrow here. You can basically use that to turn it off. So let's do that. That's it. There's also the one in the bottom here. Lift it off. That right there is the Apple TV 4K. It is pretty small, I have to say. I'm going to keep it to the side for now. There's also a sticker here that you can peel off. Let's see what else we get inside of the box. So there's this flap right here, which you can take out. Pull, nothing on either side, so you can put that to the side. Now you're presented with the remote. The weight on the remote is, hefty, I would say. It is definitely premium feeling. So let's take this out. So here you have the power button, your normal controls, and if you want to talk with Siri, then you have the microphone button here. You can use it to search for movies. You don't have to type it whatsoever. You can basically ask Siri to do some searches, ask for weather, look for movies and stuff like that. So let's keep this to the side and let's see what else we get in the box. There's this another flap. You can stick your fingers there and you can take it out. So there's cables right here. So this goes to your wall outlet and this goes behind the Apple TV. So let's keep that to the side for now. And there is paperwork. That's pretty much what's in the box. So now let's get the sticker thing out of the Apple TV. Let's take the bottom one off. This is pretty glossy. So the cable that I showed you before, it's going to connect to here, the Ethernet for reliable internet connection. And also there is the HDMI that you can use to connect to the TV. So let's set it up near my TV now. So this is the LG TV that I have, which is 55 inches. As you can see, it's pretty thin. And I have the Apple TV right here. I've connected the cable right down there. And now I'm going to plug this in. Okay, so that is connected. You can see right there, the light is white, which means it has power. So right there is two Ethernet ports. One is connected to the TV and the yellow color Ethernet is connected to the Apple TV right here at the back. And I've just done that. Now I need the HDMI cable to go from the Apple TV to the back of my TV. So let me sort that out. So I found the HDMI cable and I connected it to HDMI 1. I have it right here, and I'm gonna plug this to the Apple TV now. HDMI 1 now available. It's plugged into the Apple TV. Let's get the remote. Let's click on the HDMI input. And as you can see in the TV right there, let's click on HDMI 1. HDR, it says, hello, press the center button or touch the surface to continue. Let's do center button. English. Region is Australia. Oh, this right here, it is touch. So you could basically swipe and it goes up and down. Or you can hit the arrow keys. So region is Australia, so I'm gonna do okay. Data and privacy, continue. You want to change your display format for Australia. This region uses a different display format. Apple TV will adjust your television to match the local content, but will switch back if it doesn't work. Keep current format, change format. Let's see, HDR. Apple TV adjusted your television to match your region. Choose you. Yes, picture is clear, that's fine. Automatically set up your Apple TV. Use your iPhone to automatically add your Apple ID, Wi-Fi, and other settings, or set up manually with your remote. I'm gonna do setup with iPhone. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stop recording because I'm recording with my iPhone. So let me just set this up and be right back. So I'm recording with another iPhone, and what I've noticed here is set up your Apple TV is coming right up. So let me keep this as is and continue on the TV here. So set up with iPhone. Let's do that. Then it says, set up your Apple TV, unlock your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch, connect to a Wi-Fi network, turn on Bluetooth, hold the device close to this Apple TV. If you don't see a dialog on your iOS device, lock it and try the steps again. Okay, it came up. So let's do the pin. Setting up your Apple TV. It's taking some time. Setting up iCloud on the phone. Okay, so here on the phone it says, use remote on your iPhone. Tap done to open remote and continue the setup of the TV. Okay, I don't need this because I have the remote. So what I'm gonna do is move to the actual remote. And what I'm gonna do is it's asking for require password. I think I'm gonna do always require for making purchases. It says setting from your iPhone. Following settings can be transferred from permits iPhone, or you can customize them individually. Allow Siri to use your voice input, contacts, and location. Apple will not review audio of your Siri and dictation interactions. Allow apps to use your location with your permission. You can continue or customize your settings. I'm going to do continue for the moment. Do you have a pay TV provider? Sign in once to access all the apps supported by your bundled pay TV subscription at no additional charge. That's fine. Let's do not now. Where is this Apple TV? It's in the living room. Use HomePod as TV speakers. Let's do not now. Now see the world with Aerial Screensaver. You can enjoy HD videos of beautiful locations from all over the world. Additional videos can be downloaded automatically. Videos update weekly and can be up to 950 megabytes. The first download is about 800 megabytes. Let's do automatically downloaded. Analytics help Apple improve its products and services by automatically sending analytics data. Analytics data may include your location information. You can also help app developers improve their apps by choosing to share your app activity and crash data with them through Apple. Let's do don't send. Warranty, Apple One 1 year limited warranty. Okay, let's agree. Terms and conditions. Obviously you have to agree to this. Now Apple TV is fully set up on my lounge TV. Dolby Atmos triggered right there. I'm gonna connect all my logins in YouTube, Disney, everything, and set it up. That's basically the setup. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Until next time, peace.